Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Brickell Men's Renewing Face Scrub for Men, natural and organic deep exfoliating facial scrub formulated with jojoba beads, coffee extract, and pumice, 4-ounce, scented. You know it works when you apply it, and the smooth feeling once you are done proves it. The natural ingredients, and the fact that the packaging is larger compared to others for similar price makes it the face scrub to go with. As with the other products, it all comes down to the ingredients, and it is a high-quality product. Their entire line of products is fantastic. This particular one doesn't have a strong smell, but their lotions smell amazing. Finding organic, junk-free men's skincare products that don't try to make you smell like a lumberjack is difficult. Their unscented stuff is great in that regard. The scented stuff is a bit too scented. The face scrub is refreshing, and in a short period of time results were noticeable. Best skin and face care products on the market, with everything thought out and put together for you. If you want to follow a skincare routine, you need to make this part of it. Truth is that there are a lot of better priced face scrubs on the market. The next iteration of this product should have more scrubbing power, and perhaps come in a squeeze tube. As with all Brickell products, you can tell the ingredients are natural and very high quality. There is no chemical scent or harshness to them. Whether you shave every day, or let some facial hair grow out, ingrown hairs, or facial hair irritation is a thing that men have to deal with. For men with beards, you don't end up pulling out the beads from your beard throughout the day. It simply isn't gritty enough to exfoliate and cleanse out pores like a scrub should. The scrub cleans out all the pores and preps the face for a nice shave. Brickell's face scrub should be part of every man's skincare routine as it provides a great exfoliation. If you don't care about price, want a fantastic smell, but don't like very gritty exfoliants, you'll be delighted. It smells great, applies easy, and it's in jar, so it's easy to control how much you apply to your face. This stuff makes your skin feel absolutely refreshed, and does a good job cleansing your skin. Definitely recommend the Brickell Purifying Charcoal Face Wash and Face Scrub for anyone looking to change up their routine. It doesn't feel like it's scraping away a layer of your skin like some others. All of their products are free of the toxic substances found in most other skincare products. The scrub is subtle, yet refreshing, and is great for all skin types, especially for sensitive, oil-prone skin like mine. The avocado butter feels amazing, and you can feel the energizing boost provided by the green tea coffee component. It helps refresh your face with the charcoal, preparing you for your day ahead. A fresh smell scent and granular pellets bring that zing to your skin. Great product. This face scrub smells super fresh, and it is nice and gritty to get the perfect deep cleanse. It is expensive. For face wash it is pricey. Jar can be difficult to open when your hands are wet. This gritty face scrub gets deep into the cracks and crevices, and really gets your face and neck clean. It has a pleasant scent, is made up of almost all natural ingredients, no harmful plastic beads going down the drain, and it does its job well. It has plenty of grit to properly exfoliate dead skin cells, but also smells and feels great. But this face scrub really has the right combination to really clean off those dead skin cells. This face scrub is able to cleanse and exfoliate your skin without irritation and without feeling abrasive. It removes a lot of dirt and grime from your pores and rubs those fine lines out. Great natural ingredients like jojoba beads and pumice that mildly remove the goop and build up on your face, peppered with some coffee and green tea extract, ingredients that brighten and energize the skin. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.